Hello everyone, we are here with question number 5 where we are going to learn about Java if else. So here we have got a decision making question. So as a tradition, we are going to read first the description and then our task. Coming on to the top, we have got given two integers n and m. The task is to check the relation between n and m. Till now, we have not understood which kind of relation do we have to check. But from relation, we have got to know that we have to use relational operator. Okay, that is a guess. Okay, so let's come and read about the thing which is n equal to 4 and m equal to 8. So it shows lesser. That means 4 is less than 8. So we have to print lesser. Similarly, if n is equal to 8 and m is equal to 8, what do we have to print? We have to print equal. Where have I got it? That is also a guess. Okay, so let's come and read about the task part. In the task part, it says you don't need to read input or print anything. Again, a question of function. Okay, your task is to complete the function compare nm, which is over here, which takes two integer n and m as the input parameters and returns a string because it is having the string as the return type. So we have to return either lesser, equal, or greater based on this condition. Okay, so let's try to work on the code and see if we are able to get the particular answer. So how are we going to do it? If you remember the odd even thing which we have done previously, we are going to do it same. First of all, we are going to take a result in the string format and leave it empty. Then we are going to put if else case. If n is less than m. So I'm going to assign, typo, I'm going to assign lesser. But we have to make sure the spelling is exactly same. Otherwise, it is gonna throw some error. So lesser. Then in the other case, which will be else if n is greater than m, which will be result equal to greater, keeping the spelling same. And last but not the least case is result equal to equal. Okay, I hope I have covered all three things. I will give a space over here so that you can see it more clearly. So you can see I have covered lesser, greater, and equal. Then that was the only thing which we have to do. Now what do we have to do after this if else? We just have to return the result. So return the result. Clicking enter, compiling and running and seeing if you are getting our output, which is exactly same. I believe I'll just check the spelling once more. Lesser, greater, and equal. So all the spellings are same. I'll click on submit to submit this particular program. And we'll wait for all our test cases to compile, which is successfully solved. So congratulations on completing this question. Let's meet in another new question.